Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Snapchat messages, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, what you have to do is first of all is simply gonna access your particular Snapchat app in your mobile phone, and afterwards simply tap on this little message icon given below, right? Once you have tapped on it, you will get access to all of the messages just right over there, right? So if you want to simply delete a particular message over there, what you can do is you can simply go ahead, press and hold on that particular account, and then you will find this option called chat settings, manage friendship. If you go to this chat settings, you have clear from chat feed and delete chats 24 hours after viewing. If you simply turn this on, and after viewing we have done, so whenever you send a text to that person after they have viewed your chat, it will be removed, first option. Although you can simply again long press on that particular account and tap on chat settings again, tap on this clear from chat feed, tap on clear. Now that particular person is now removed from your chats, and including the chat's history, right? Other thing, you can simply go ahead again, press and hold, tap on chat settings, and you can simply tap on this turn off this message notification as well, so whenever they message you, you won't get notified regarding that as well. So these are some of the settings for you to do. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.